A great 4th of July party doesn't need an expensive menu. Some of the most popular holiday foods are simple, affordable, and perfect for feeding a crowd. Here are 12 4th of July party foods that keep costs low while keeping everyone full and happy. Grill favorites. 1. Chili cheese hot dogs. Hot dogs are one of the most affordable cookout foods around. Top them with homemade chili and shredded cheese for a crowd-pleasing party favorite that feels much bigger than its cost. 2. Barbecue chicken drumsticks. Chicken drumsticks are often cheaper than many other cuts. A simple barbecue glaze turns them into a juicy centerpiece for any 4th of July gathering. 3. Grilled sausage sandwiches. Sausages stretch your budget while still delivering plenty of flavor. Serve them on toasted buns with grilled onions and peppers for a complete meal. Bonus tip: buy family-sized packs of meat and freeze extra portions for future cookouts. Crowd-pleasing sides. 4. Loaded potato salad. Potato salad feeds many people for very little money. Add bacon bits, green onions, and shredded cheese to make it feel more premium. 5. Baked beans. A large pot of baked beans is affordable, filling, and pairs perfectly with grilled foods. A little brown sugar and barbecue sauce add extra flavor. 6. Corn on the cob. Fresh corn is often inexpensive during summer. Grill or boil it and finish with butter and seasoning for a classic holiday side. Easy party snacks. 7. Patriotic popcorn mix. Mix popcorn with red and blue candies for an inexpensive themed snack. It looks festive and serves a large group with very little effort. 8. Homemade tortilla chips and salsa. Cut tortillas into triangles, bake until crispy, and serve with fresh salsa. This simple snack costs much less than store-bought party platters. 4. Watermelon slices. Watermelon is refreshing, easy to serve, and often one of the best values during summer. Large slices help stretch servings for a crowd. Bonus tip: prepare snacks a few hours before guests arrive to reduce party day stress. Sweet holiday treats. 10. Red, white, and blue fruit cups. Layer strawberries, bananas, and blueberries into clear cups. They look festive while using simple ingredients available almost everywhere. 11. Ice cream sandwich bar. Buy budget-friendly ice cream sandwiches and let guests add toppings like sprinkles or crushed cookies for a fun dessert station. 12. Patriotic rice cereal treats. Rice cereal treats are inexpensive, easy to make, and perfect for holiday decorating. Add red and blue icing drizzle for a festive finish. Bonus tip: use clear cups and trays to make simple foods look more impressive. A memorable 4th of July party isn't about spending more money. It's about good food, great company, and enjoying the holiday together. Which budget-friendly food would you put on your party menu first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more food ideas, party recipes, and seasonal favorites.